Hi everyone, I'm Ron Jacob G. Orentine. I'm the founder and the owner of Ron's Toron, the best Toron in town. I graduated here in Ateneo 2007 with AB Interdisciplinary Studies. Interdisciplinary Studies has three majors: economics, history, and political science po. Then after that po, after being an SK chairman dito po sa barangay namin, Zone 3, I went outside our country and worked for the last 13, 14 years at Seattle, Washington. When I started OFW, I worked sa mga food business, sa mga restaurants as a server, and paminsan nagsa-sideline din po ako ng janitor. Then alam nyo naman po, pag nasa States, you need to start all the way down. Then fortunately, through hard work and with the blessings of our God, nakaakyat-akyat naman po tayo sa promotion hanggang naging supervisor po tayo ng isang sa retirement home na may mga catering, coordinator. And aside from that, during my free time, I also do food delivery, which I was inspired to do it sa hometown ng wife ko sa Iloilo. So there was an opportunity for me to go to the States, and I grabbed it. Although pagdating doon, I need to start from scratch. Yan na siguro yung bittersweet. Sobrang hirap. Kasi dito nasanay ka, may helper, lahat may gagawa sa'yo. Doon, you're on your own. So, you need to cook, to clean everything. And pagdating doon, hindi naman na-recognize talaga kung college graduate ka. They will check kung ano yung mga experience mo and skills. So I need to start from sa simula talaga. Talagang lakasan lang ng loob and never ever quit. Kahit gaano kahirap, sa una lang naman ang mahirap. Once masanay ka, everything will be easy. Just never give up. Fortunately din, kahit 14 years po ako sa labas, umuwi-uwi naman po ako, nag-i-invest po ako dito, and isa sa mga investment po is yung business, yung sa Ron's Toron, which I started in 2015. Pag nagbabakasyon ako, napapansin ko parang lahat ng income palabas. So I started na magnegosyo ng Ron's Toron doon sa pwesto namin. So fortunately, nung nag-umpisa ito, around 50 pieces a day lang. Hindi pa nga maubos-ubos. But through hard work and never give up, kahit paano ngayon tumaas na po. From 1 employee, nasa 22 na po sila. Kung ang SM nga nagtitinda ng Toron, tayo pa. So nagkataon, Ron, naalala ko nung kabataan ko, tinutso ako ng mga tipong tuksuhan. Toron. So, why not brand it? So, napaisip ako na i-brand yung Toron. So, nagra-rhyme naman. So, yun, kahit pa paano, nag-click naman. Favorite po talagang Toron, and it's a recipe of my mom na every Sunday, kabataan namin, nagluluto siya. So, sabi ko, natataste ko naman yung mga ibang Toron na nagbebenta na mas masarap ng Toron, why not sell it? 2015, nung we started that, ni-register na agad namin sa DTI para ma-save yung rights ng name. I remember 5,000 pesos para sa part and sa lutuan. So, kahit pa paano medyo malayo-layo na po ang narating. Pero yun po, it's not an overnight success kasi I remember yung 50 pieces po noong 2015, hindi pa po nauubos. So, we just keep going. Naniwala kami sa product. And hanggang nasanay ang tao and keep marketing at nakilala, kahit paano, malayo-layo na po narating ng Bronze. The story of the lumpia, kasi I always collect data po. Ang pinakamahina naming time is from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. It's because naghahanap ang tao ng pang-lunch. So, I decided na maglagay ng something na may maalat, which is yung lumpia po. Pwede ng pang-merienda, pwede pang-ulam, and at the same time, we can use the skills of our team member na mabilis mag-roll. So, it's still a product na niro-roll, pero ang target naman is for yung mga naghahanap ng maalat or pang-ulam. Kasi yung lumpia, hindi lang pang-merienda, pwede din pang-lunch or dinner sa kanin. So, yun. So far, nung we included lumpia, tumaas na po ang sales from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. po. Three challenges. First, kailangan nyo po magkaroon ng right people. Dapat syempre yung tapat, yung honest. Then, ang next, yung location. Napaka-importante ng location. Kahit anong sarap ng mga pagkain nyo, kung nakatago and mahirap puntahan, medyo mahirapan tayo. And ang pangatlo naman po, yung mga suppliers. Kailangan yung supply high quality and hindi pa bago-bago. Kasi napaka-importante po ng consistency sa pagkain, lalo na sa product. Pag alam nilang, like Bronze, consistent yung taste kahit saan man, sa Santa Maria branch or sa main branch. So napaka-importante din po para sa akin ng mga suppliers. First of all, my mother and my parents, they've been entrepreneur. Bata pa ako, nag-negosyo na ako kasi nakita ko sa parents ko. And second, si Injap, yung may-ari ng Mang Inasal, na ngayon may-ari ng Double Dragon, na taga Iloilo, na it's possible even from the to be successful in business, not only nationwide but worldwide. To invest and magtira para sa sarili, huwag ipadala lahat. Importante pa rin ang meron kang para sa sarili kasi ang abroad is only temporary. Hindi mo alam kung kailan ka, kung healthy ka always. Invest talaga sa lupa man or whatever na bagay na sa tingin mo na that will save you in your future. Advice ko sa mga gustong magnegosyo, learn from your mistake and try your best not to do it again. Kasi alam mo nang nagkamali ka. So yung mga it's okay to commit a mistake but just do not do it again. Kasi pag ginawa mo yun, choice mo na yun. So sa business may time nagkakamali tayo. So try to think about it, kung ano ba yung pagkakamali ko and kung ano yung pwede kong gawin para hindi na yung makulit. Then, ang next naman, never ever give up and always have a dream. Even the impossible dream, never ever give up. Kasi hindi mo alam kung kailan mag-boom yung business mo. Hindi man ngayon, hindi man bukas, hindi man after 1 year. Pero if you never give up, walang mawawala sa ito. For me, success, if it makes you happy, then I think you're already successful. Kasi kahit anong yaman mo or what, kung hindi ka happy, I don't think I will feel successful. For me kasi, makita ko palang happy yung mga customer mo sa simple product like Toron or Lumpia. It makes me happy more than the income na na-appreciate nila yung product mo. So, anything that makes you happy, for me, that is, you can call it success. Failure naman, importante sa failure, it's okay to fail. Importante we learn from it. Time management pa rin po. Time management. We all have No matter you're rich or poor, we all have 24 hours. Nasa disiplina pa rin po and priority. I-prioritize kung ano yung mga mas mahalaga, mas importante. Time management po. If you have a dream, whatever it is, work hard, and most of all, work smart and just do it. Three qualities. First, choose the right people. Then second naman, learn from your mistake. And pangatlo po, never ever give up. To create a high-quality Filipino snacks at affordable price that will put smile on every customer's face. Make our customers happy. Yun po ang pinakamahalaga sa product namin. We will have more branches around the Philippines po. Dumami pa so they can taste our product po and we put smile on their face. Never ever give up on your dream, and whatever it is, just do it. Mas mahirap yung hindi ka gumalaw. At least whatever your dream, you tried. So keep going, and again, always have a dream. No matter kahit suntok sa buhay pa yan. And keep moving and never give up.